Hey, welcome back to ShubhCode. Today's tip is about Salesforce. If you are still hard-coding endpoint URLs or thresholds in your Apex, there is a better way. Let's jump straight into it. Custom labels are org-level text values that can be referenced from Apex, Visualforce, Lightning components, and flows. They are managed centrally in setup without any code changes required. Access custom labels using system label.yourLabelName. For example, if your label API name is API_endpoint, you write string endpoint equals system label.api_endpoint. Import labels in LWC using the @Salesforce/label scope. Import label name from @Salesforce/label/c.yourLabelName. Then reference it in the template using label name. Here's the bottom line. Replace all hard-coded strings with custom labels for maintainable, translatable configuration. Subscribe for more. Check the official Salesforce documentation, link is in the description. If this helped you, smash that like button. Drop your questions in the comments, I read every single one. Subscribe to ShubhCode for a new Salesforce tip every day. See you tomorrow.